I'm going to go and get myself a coffee. Oh, this looks very nice. I'm going to have a coffee here. Why not? I'm going to have one of those. Yeah.
So you're seeing them tonight? Yeah, we're going to go. So we can have a 6.
As this lady makes it. I believe he's bringing my coffee over to me now. Thank you very much. Thank you. So that's what I'm going to have. It's coffee time. Yeah, as you know, I do like a coffee, and I'm going to have a little bit of a cake with it. So this is a banana bread, vegan, at this lovely establishment. So it's a little bit of chocolate bits in it and walnuts. I'm going to try and enjoy this.